Good morning, children. So here is the part 2 of the retirement of a partner. In the previous video, we studied how to calculate new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio in case of retirement of a new existing partner. In this video, we are going to study or discuss few of the practical questions on different cases of new PSR and gaining ratio. Let us discuss few of the practical questions and solutions on calculation of new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. Question number 1. A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 6:5:4. Calculate new profit sharing ratios if A retires, second case B retires, and third case if C retires. So as you can see in this question, no information is given about the new PSR. Therefore, what we will do is, we will simply strike out the share of the retiring partner and the remaining share will be the new PSR of the remaining partners. So in case number 1, when A retires, so we will strike out the share of A, that is 6. Therefore, we will be left with 5:4. So that will become the new PSR of remaining partner B and C. Then case number 2, when B retires, so we will strike out the share of B, that is 5, and the remaining share 6:4 will be the new share of the remaining partners A and C. Then case number third, when C retires, so we will strike out the share of C, that is 4. Then we will be left with 6:5, which will become the new PSR of the remaining partners A and B. Question number 2. L, M and O were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2:2. M retired and his share was divided equally between L and O. That means the share of M is 2/7, which is given to L and O in 1:1 ratio. That is 1/2 of 2/7 will be given to L, that is the gaining share, and 1/2 of 2/7 will be given to O, that will be the gaining share. So calculate the new profit sharing ratio of L and O. As you can see, old ratio of L, M and O is 3:2:2, or we can say 3/7, 2/7 and 2/7. M's share will be divided between L and O equally. Therefore, L will gain half of 2/7, that is 1/7. Hence, L's new share will be old share, that is 3/7, plus the gaining share 1/7, that means 4/7. O will gain again half of 2/7, that is the retiring partner's share, that means 1/7 will be the gaining share. Hence, O's new share will be his old share, that is 2/7, plus his gaining share 1/7, which makes his new share as 3/7. Thus, the new ratio between the remaining partners L and O is 4/7 and 3/7, or we can say 4:3. So this is the case in which the remaining partners acquire the share of the retiring partner in certain ratio. Question number 3. A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 4:3:2. B retires and his share was taken up by A and C in the ratio of 3:2. Find out the new ratio. So here, as you can see, B is the retiring partner and the share of B is 3/9. So this share will be acquired by the remaining partners A and C in the ratio of 3:2. That means 3/5 of 3/9 will be given to A, and 2/5 of 3/9 will be given to C. So that will be the gaining share, and then we will put the values in the formula, that is old share plus gaining share, then we will get the new share. As you can see, old ratio of A, B and C is 4:3:2, or we can say 4/9, 3/9 and 2/9. So B share will be divided between A and C in the ratio of 3:2. A will gain 3 by 5 of 3 by 9, which comes to 9 by 45. So 9 by 45 will be the gaining share of A. Hence, A's new share will be equal to his old share, that is 4 by 9, plus his gaining share, that is 9 by 45. So while taking the LCM of 9 and 45, we will be getting 45. And after adjusting the LCM, we will get 20 plus 9 upon 45, that is 29 upon 45 will be the new share of A. C will gain 2 by 5 of 3 by 9, that is the retiring partner's share. So hence his gaining share will be 6 by 45. Hence C's new share will be his old share, that is 2 by 9, plus his gaining share, that is 6 by 45. So again the LCM of 9 and 45 will be 45. After adjusting the LCM to the numerators, we will get 10 plus 6 upon 45. Hence the new share of C will be 16 by 45. So as you can see, the new ratio between A and C is 29 by 45 is to 16 by 45, or we can say 29 is to 16. So I hope the three cases of calculating new PSR in case of retirement is clear to you children. Now the question number 4. X, Y and Z are partners sharing in the ratio of 2:2:1. Y retires and his share is entirely taken up by Z. Calculate the new ratio. So that means in this case, Z is the only gaining partner and the entire share of Y, that is 2 by 5, is taken up fully by Z. So 2 by 5 is the gaining share of Z. So as you can see, old ratio of X, Y and Z is 2:2:1, or we can say 2 by 5 is to 2 by 5 is to 1 by 5. So since Y share is entirely taken up by Z, hence X's share, new share is equal to 2 by 5 unchanged. Actually the formula is old share plus gaining share. So X's new share is 2 by 5 plus, since he is not gaining anything, that means 0 will be added. So ultimately the new share of X will be 2 by 5 same. Then Z's new share is equal to his old share, that is 1 by 5, plus his gaining share, that is the entire share of Y, 2 by 5. Therefore the new share of Z will be 3 by 5. Thus new ratio of X and Z will be 2 by 5 is to 3 by 5, or we can say 2:3. Then question number 5 is basically for calculating gaining ratio. And before doing this, can we revise the formula for gaining ratio? The formula for gaining ratio is equal to old ratio is to be deducted from the new ratio, that is new ratio minus old ratio. So as you can see, on 1st April 2015, Ashish, Namish and Aman were partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2 by 5, 2 by 5 and 1 by 5 respectively, that is 2:2:1. On this date, Namish retires. The new profit sharing of Ashish and Aman will be 3 by 4 and 1 by 4, that is 3:1. So in this case question, you have the old ratio as well as you have the new ratio. So you can simply apply the formula and you can calculate the gaining ratio. So gaining ratio of Ashish is equal to his new ratio, that is 3 by 4, minus his old ratio, that is 2 by 5. So when we take the LCM of 4 and 5, we get 20. So after adjusting the LCM into the numerators, we get 15 minus 8 upon 20, that is 7 by 20 will be the gaining share of Ashish. Then gaining ratio of Aman, again the formula, his new ratio, that is 1 by 4 minus his old ratio, that is 1 by 5. So we will take the LCM of 4 and 5, we will get 20. After adjusting the LCM into the numerator, as we used to do beforehand, we get 5 minus 4 upon 20, that is 1 upon 20. So the gaining ratio between Ashish and Aman will be 7:1. So I hope the different cases of new PSR and gaining ratio is clear to you children. So this is the assignment based on this part. You have to answer the following questions in your register. Question number 1. You have to revise and redo the questions taught in this video. Go through the video once again. Just revise the methodology and do the questions on your own in your register. Question number 2. You have to solve practical questions number 2, 4B, 4C, 5, 6B, 6C and 6D from the chapter Retirement or Death of a Partner of Accounts book by D.K. Goel volume 1. These questions though appear to be more in numbers, but children, these are very small questions just like we have discussed in this video. So go through the video once again, revise the content, revise the methods and the formula and complete all the written work, children. Thank you. Take care.